In today's video, I am going to teach you how to draw an arrow in Excel. This is a simple feature, but it is very useful when you want to point something out on a worksheet, highlight a direction, or make your spreadsheet easier to understand visually. Excel includes built-in shape tools, so you do not need any extra add-ins or special formatting to get started. Begin by going to the Insert tab on the top ribbon. This is where Excel keeps many of the tools used for adding visual elements to your worksheet, including pictures, charts, icons, and shapes. For this task, the Shapes option is the one you need. Once you are on the Insert tab, click Shapes. You will find it inside the Illustrations group. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with a variety of shape options. These include lines, rectangles, circles, callouts, and arrows. If your goal is to draw an arrow, this menu is where you will choose the exact style you want to use. From the drop-down menu, select an arrow type that fits what you need. In the Lines section, you can choose a thin, straight arrow if you want a clean, simple pointer. You can also choose a double-ended arrow if you need to show movement or direction going both ways. Another option is a curved connector line, which can be helpful if you want the arrow to bend around other content on the sheet or connect items in a more flexible way. Take a moment to choose the arrow style that best matches the layout of your worksheet. A straight arrow works well for direct emphasis. A double-ended arrow is useful for comparisons or two-way flow. A curved connector can make your spreadsheet look cleaner when you are working around text, numbers, or other shapes. After selecting the arrow type, Excel is ready for you to place that shape onto the worksheet. At this stage, the important part is simply choosing the right arrow from the Shapes menu so you can begin drawing with the style that suits your needs. That covers everything you need to know.